The Centre for Development of Northeastern Region, SEDNA, of the Indian Institute of Management, Shillong, organized an interaction and consultation with the representatives of Ka Sinjuk Ki Nongsinchar Shnong Ka Bri U Nutrep, Federation of Traditional Village Leaders of Khasi and Jaintia Hills, Meghalaya, on Tuesday. During the meeting, Director of IIM Shillong, Professor D.P. Goyal, emphasized the importance of forging collaborations and industry partnerships to create a favorable environment for entrepreneurship and job creation. Goyal informed that there are 700 students and faculty colleagues who would like to contribute something for the development of the region.
Thank you so much. Today we have just invited and requested all the devotional people just to have some interaction dialogue with us so that we can understand their aspirations, their expectations from IIM Shillong. Because we are here and our students, they come to a very rigorous, tough test, and there are about 700 students. And our students and all faculty colleagues, they would like to contribute something for the development of this region. So we are just trying to understand their expectations from IIM Shillong. Also, we also wanted to give us our vision that how we are going to do in the next 2-3 years. Like for example, we would now like to be going to all the schools and colleges of this place so that we can really make them aware about